Welcome to another exciting episode of Spice and Slice Podcasts, where we embark on a culinary journey around the world. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the rich culinary traditions of Italy, a country known for its delectable flavors and time-honored recipes. Get ready to be transported to the heart of Italian cuisine. Italy, a land of rolling hills, picturesque vineyards, and centuries-old culinary traditions. From the northern regions of Lombardy and Piedmont to the southern coasts of Sicily and Sardinia, each corner of Italy boasts its own unique flavors and specialties. Today, we'll take a taste of Italy's culinary heritage, focusing on two iconic dishes, pasta and desserts. Let's start with pasta, a staple of Italian cuisine that has captivated food lovers worldwide. From spaghetti and lasagna to tortellini and ravioli, the variety of pasta shapes and sauces is endless. But what makes Italian pasta truly exceptional is its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. In Italy, the art of pasta making is deeply rooted in tradition and passed down through generations. Families gather around kitchen tables, rolling dough by hand and sharing stories. Each region has its signature pasta dishes, like the Bolognese ragu from Emilia-Romagna or the rich seafood linguine of the Amalfi Coast. One cannot talk about Italian cuisine without mentioning pizza. Originating from Naples, this beloved dish has become a global sensation. The perfect Neapolitan pizza is all about the crust, the thin, crispy base topped with San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and fragrant basil. With every bite, you can taste the passion and heritage that goes into creating this classic Italian delight. Now, let's satisfy our sweet tooth by diving into the world of Italian desserts. Italy is renowned for its indulgent treats, where every bite is a celebration of flavors and textures. Tiramisu, the iconic layered dessert of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and creamy mascarpone, is a true masterpiece of Italian culinary craftsmanship. Another beloved Italian dessert is cannoli, delicate pastry tubes filled with sweet ricotta cream and often garnished with candied fruits or chocolate chips. With their crispy shells and luscious fillings, cannoli represent the perfect balance of flavors and textures, a testament to the Italian passion for culinary excellence. And, of course, we can't forget about gelato, the Italian version of ice cream. Gelato is known for its dense, creamy texture and intense flavors. Whether you opt for a classic pistachio or indulge in a refreshing lemon sorbet, gelato is the ultimate indulgence on a hot summer day. And there you have it, a tantalizing taste of Italy's culinary traditions. From the comforting embrace of a plate of pasta to the sweet symphony of Italian desserts, Italy's gastronomic heritage is a gift to the world. So, next time you savor a plate of spaghetti or savor a bite of tiramisu, remember the rich history and passion that is woven into every dish. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through Italy. We hope this podcast has inspired you to explore the depths of Italian cuisine in your own kitchen. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes of Spice and Slice podcasts, where we continue to celebrate the diverse flavors and culinary traditions from around the globe. Until next time, buon appetito!